Roman blinds can be installed on the ceiling, wall, or on the window frame. How to take measurements for blinds installed on the ceiling? We measure the height from the ceiling to the point where the unfolded blind is to end. However, to measure the width of the blind, we measure the width of the window recess and add about 5 to 7 centimeters on each side of the window. The sewn blind will then adhere elegantly to the wall, gently enlarging our window. How to take measurements for a blind installed on a window frame? We install it with the non-invasive grips, so we don't have to drill holes. We can open such a blind together with the window. It is a convenient solution if we often open the window wide. The measurement of the Roman blind installed on the window frame should be made by measuring the width from the window handle to the half of the window frame on the other side. It is important that the blind does not overlap the handle, otherwise the handle will cut on the blind while lifting and lowering. The height of the blind installed with non-invasive grips is measured from the upper window frame to the window sill.